FoodSHIFT 2030. Multiplying the impacts, sharing experiences. A good practice case. How do partnerships and networks form even beyond the partners identified in a project? Let's take a look at a good practice example in the context of FoodSHIFT 2030 to see how this can happen and what other FULs and FELs can learn from it. In the FoodSHIFT 2030 project, each FoodSHIFT Accelerator Lab, FUL, had to choose at least 3 FoodSHIFT Enabler Labs, FELs, for intensive exchange of knowledge and experience. The FUL City Agro Park Lab is located in Ostend, a coastal city in western Belgium. This FUL picked 3 FELs all located in Belgium and in the region of Flanders, namely in Bruges, in Eeklo and in Kortrijk. The FUL Regional Lunch for All Lab is located in France, in the city of Avignon. This FUL on the other hand picked FELs partly beyond their national borders, among others in Belgium. This FEL is called Manger de Man, located in Namur in the region of Wallonia. It seems obvious that all FoodSHIFT 2030 stakeholders in Belgium should exchange information, as they operate under the commonality of the same national circumstances but are on the other hand located in different regions within Belgium. However, first the project requirements have to be fulfilled, and especially at large projects it is not easy to know all actors and to exchange further. Here, one critical element of the FoodSHIFT 2030 project comes into play: the knowledge brokerage interaction between the FULs and FELs, an activity of Work Package 5. The brokers detect potential matching partners who do not know about each other and bring them together by initiating contact. In this case, a contact between the FUL Ostend and Manger de Man was initiated. In a first digital meeting, regional differences as well as common interests, such as public procurement and food strategies, were identified. Further, the participation in events was discussed. Lastly, the FUL Ostend suggested further FULs and contact persons to Manger de Man which address similar topics. What we can learn from this case: knowledge brokerage and partnering are crucial, especially in such a big project environment. Further, there is always a lot to learn from each other, even if or especially if framing conditions may differ. Thus, continuous networking is meaningful. FoodSHIFT, Food System Hub's innovation towards fast transition.